Hello everyone, Brett here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook app. Fortunately, it is not as difficult as a lot of people seem to think it is. So to get started, I'm going to go to developers.facebook.com, and this will bring me to the Facebook developers section. Now I'm going to go to apps, and I'm going to click on create new app. It's going to ask me for a couple of things like the display name, the namespace, and the category. In this particular instance, the only thing that is really important is the display name. So normally I like to either use my particular website name. For this example, we'll just call it Brett's Sign Up. The namespace is not important at all in this particular instance. You can completely leave that blank. And the category, you want to pick apps for pages. You go ahead and click the create app button, solve the security CAPTCHA, and click the submit button to continue. Alright, so now we have our new app created, and we have a couple of settings that we need to adjust. So what we're going to do is go over here to the settings section and click it, and it's going to ask us first for our app domain. Now you want to type in the URL of the WordPress site that you are using. So I'm going to type in my own URL. After that, you're going to click the Add Platform button and select Website. Once again, type in the URL of your website. And two things are important when you're typing in the URL of your website. First, make sure you include the HTTP www:// That is a full URL. If I were to just type in brettratecki.com right now, that would be a domain name. What you need here is a full URL. The second thing that's important to remember in this when you're setting this up is here you want to include the final /. So you type it in like that. So it's http www.brettratecki.com/. If you have a separate URL for your mobile version of your site, you can type that in right here. The vast majority of people will not have to do that because their mobile URL will be the same as their normal website. When you're done doing that, simply click on Save Changes. After your app is all set up, you want to go over here and click on Status and Review. You're going to see in the upper right hand corner here that your app is not live at this point, which means nobody will be able to use it but you. So you want to go ahead and click over here and make it live. You can see that your app is now live and available for everybody to use. Click the Confirm button. The very last step is to go over to the dashboard section, click on Show, and you can get your app ID and your app secret, and these are the settings that you'll put into your settings area. So that's all there is to it. It only takes a few minutes and it really isn't that hard. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.